So what is actually stopping you from taking your business into the next level? Are you feeling insecure? I get it. There's so many moving pieces in a business and so many things that you have to do. And the thing is that we put the same amount of energy into believing that people don't care what we do, when in fact, they're not actually buying what you are offering or what you're selling. They're not interested in your lovely branding. They're not interested in your beautiful feed. They're not interested in your amazing website or your TikTok reels and anything that you do. They're actually choosing you. Do I want to work with this person? Do I want to work with that team? People are less concerned what are they buying from you. They're actually more concerned, who is that person behind that company? What does that person give me that is so different from another company? Because you know now everybody is doing the same thing that you're doing. The problem is that you have been focusing and asking yourself the wrong question. Where is my people? Where can I find them? Where are my leads? Where do I have to go and get them, right? And actually, you should be asking yourself, how can I make these people come and find me? Because we already know that they are already searching for what you are offering. So you have to be able to say, okay, what can I do for them to come and see me and find me? The thing is that only 5% of the activities that you are doing in your business are the ones that will determine if you are successful. But you've been focusing your attention to that 95% of your business and not actually focusing on that 5% that really needs your attention. But it's not your fault. It's not your fault. You've been sold on the idea that you have to be visible or be popular if you go to like networking events, or you should be, creating reels or TikToks, or you should be creating how-to content on your social media platforms. But I am here to turn everything upside down and get you to actually be more visible on social by really focusing on the 5% that you really need to focus on. Now let's be clear. If you are serious about growing your business, but you are not willing to put skin in the game and be committed, nothing will change. Or if you're going to be that type of entrepreneur that hops from trainings to trainings and actually doesn't take any action to what you go to those trainings, then nothing's actually going to change. You're going to keep having all those thoughts in your head and nothing will move forward. But you have two choices. You can continue to do the same thing that you've been doing, nothing to show for it, or you can actually keep on watching. So if you're finally ready to step into the role that your business is asking you to be that entrepreneur that is more visible online and on social media, somebody that is recognizable and it's an authority in your industry and what you do, then come and join me to veronicadipolo.com/beta. This is a new program that I just opened, and I would love to invite you to come and read everything about the beta program, just designed for you. Not only that, I want you to go and read it with an open mind, with an open heart of something that will completely change what you've been doing in your business. If you want to change and be more clear about your business goals and money goals, you want better messaging for your social media, and you want to show up on social media. But not only that, you want to attract those leads and turn them into sales with an evergreen machine. Then come and join us at veronicadipolo.com/beta. Be sure to be ready. We'll be ready for you, and can't wait to see you. Let me know. Sure. Bye-bye. mi amor, pero te quedaste muy bien,